Hi, I am Apurv Gaurav. I am from India and I work with Nardini with my team Fabio and Jamie. Fabio is from Italy and Jamie is from America. And being from India and working on the project, which is market feasibility for India, for Nardini to launch the product was very great experience for me. And my team was like one of the best teams I have ever worked. So that was the great experience, and working with Genazine, that was like great cooperation and great support from the Genazine. The experience was pretty different because this is the first time like I have ever been out of India. So coming to the Italy with different like expectations and different things like in mind, like what's gonna happen and which type of things. Coming here, like everything is very different from India, Indian culture and everything. People are very cheerful and like living in Asolo and just looking at the historical places and the Italian culture, Italian habits and everything was great experience. And like Chimba MBA, that is very different, like for leading us to the leadership skills. So that was a great experience. Like still just looking forward to finish the degree finally.